Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fine. Today I just wanted to tell you how to do a hard disk partition. So it's so simple. Just right click on your my computer and click on manage. Down here you can see disk management. Click on it. Right here you can select your desired drive. So click on it, right click on it and click on shrink volume right here. Alright, so here it's gonna be right at the very third you can see enter the amount of space to shrink in MBs. Just type in your desired memory, but remember it's gonna be in MBs. So after that you just need to click on shrink. Alright, so it's gonna be an unallocated drive. You can see at the very right bottom it's going to be 491 GB. Just right click on it and click on new simple volume. So just simply click on next. Again it's going to be next. Right here you can see you can name your drive. Let's suppose I named it as F drive, and you click on next, next, and finish. Alright, so now your drive is successfully created. If you want to verify it, just to go ahead and click on my computer or this PC, and you can see your drive right here. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.